This is Hetaoba village in Guizhou province, renowned throughout China and the world for the quality of its tea. But what goes into each and every cup, and what makes this tea so special? I wanted to find out. Just like people in the West like drinking coffee, Chinese people love drinking tea.
Why? The taste and the warm feeling it gives you inside. But this local tea is no ordinary tea. Whereas most teas have about 3% protein, this tea ranks about 4%. And whereas other teas, when boiled with water, release about 34% of the tea leaves nutrients, this tea releases about 40%. So you get the taste, the warm feeling inside, and it's a little healthier. There are a couple of things that make this place ideally suited for tea farming. First, the average temperature is really low. Second, the average temperature range during the day is great, meaning that the temperatures in the morning and the evening are really low, while the temperatures during the day are hot. Both of these factors combined make this county a top-producing tea area in terms of production and tea plantation surface area. This is true for the province, too. So we're in the top tea county in the top tea province, meaning we're smack dab in the middle of tea country.